How to delete Temu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu application. Make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and tap on the U option you see there on the bottom center of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the account security option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for delete your Temu account. Tap on that. Further, go ahead and select the I want to permanently delete my Temu account radio button and then tap on the continue button. You will then be asked to select a reason for why you are deleting your account. So go ahead and tap on the reason that suits your issue the best and then tap on the continue button again. Further, for verification purpose, you will be required to select any of the following verification option. Once you have verified your identity, your account deletion request will be submitted and you will be automatically signed out of your Temu account and your account will be deleted in the next 7 business days. So, this is how you can delete Temu accounts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.